Hi, Heidi here. Welcome to another video. I've got a bit of time off this week, so I thought it would be fun to do another Outfits of the Week video. We're starting with Tuesday, being as I worked yesterday, so I'm not going to show you what I wear to work, obviously. There is a storm brewing at the moment, literally. You may be able to hear the wind in the background. So I am not really going outside much today. Probably go for a little wander later, just to stretch my legs. But for the most part, I am at home. I've got this fleece top on. It's one that I DIY'd a bit. It was just a plain V-neck fleece from, well, the brand was Peter Storm, but I got it from an outdoor shop. I cut out the collar and reconstructed the lower half here, and I wear it all the time in the winter. Very cozy despite the kind of open neck. And underneath I'm wearing this Cyberdog dress. It's a circuit board pinstripe, as you may have noticed already. And then I've got this skirt layered over it because I felt like it just needed another extra detail. And I really love this skirt for layering with. I got it on Vinted, I think. That's the brand there. Plain black fleece tights. I probably wear these most days during the winter. And I have got my black fluffies on as well. I got those from Blue Banana, must be over 10 years ago by now. And they're still going fine. I'm sure they'll end up bold at some point, but until then, I shall continue to wear them. Oh, and jewellery. This collar I made not that long ago now. And as for makeup, I wanted to just have a nice, messy kind of look. Here is the outfit for Wednesday. I'm just about to go for a quick walk, being as I didn't get out yesterday. This long sleeve got from a charity shop a very long time ago, and this top I've layered. Got that from Vinted, and then I dyed it black and painted all the poppers with black nail varnish, so it matched. And these leggings, charity shop again, and I have got thermal ones underneath. It isn't that cold today, but the wind chill is quite bad, being as we've still got 50-mile-an-hour gusts. So I just want to make sure I stay warm as I walk. And got my shiny new rocks on as well. I'll see if I can get a bit of footage outside whilst I... Here is Thursday's outfit. I have just filmed a video, so that's why I've actually got a proper setup going on right now. No idea if that one or this one will be out first. We will see. Got the wacky lighting out because it's very dull today. Once again, wanted to add a bit of colour today, so I have gone with my neon yellow accessories. This belt I DIY'd fairly recently. It did have a light in it because it was a dog lead when I bought it, but because it was so cheap, the light inside was not very effective. So I removed that and remade the belt. Added all these rings with the webbing as a decorative bit, and then I just got a single buckle for the closure, and then these bracelets I made, colour that I wear all the time, made that. And this necklace, I got this key fob when I bought a collar from this shop on Etsy. It's called Remove Before Flight, and this was actually free with my order. I bought a collar and a bracelet, and they sent this free of charge, which was really cool. So I've put it on a cord. I'm wearing it as a necklace today. And earrings, also from Etsy. Chaos Coven is the shop I got these from, and I wear these on the daily as well. Long sleeve top with the mesh panels in the shoulders, I got from a charity shop. And this dress I got from Depop quite a few years ago now, and the brand is Spank London. I layer this top with this dress all the time, just because I love how the shoulders look with the straps. And I'm not wearing any shoes or anything just now. I might go for a walk later, we'll have to see. And I've just washed my hair, so she's looking good. Oh, and of course I've got makeup to match my accessories. So this is what I'm wearing for Thursday. I'm gonna go have lunch now. Here is the outfit for Saturday. I completely forgot to get a video yesterday of my outfit. We're in Glasgow for a couple of nights, and we were just on the coach yesterday. But this is the look for today. We are going out this evening, so you'll get 2 outfits for the price of one today, which I suppose will make up for not getting one yesterday. So obviously I'll get footage of that later on. Nice and comfy today. Got my collar I made with bracelets as well, and the top charity shop, and then made it into a top because it was a dress previously, and I opened up the shoulders as well. And skirt was a pair of jeans which I made into a skirt and put these buckles on the side. Then fluffies and these shoes for my feet. Oh, and I'll show you my jackets as well. I've got my Maraluna hoodie from 2022, I think this one is, and a jacket layered because it's not particularly warm today. And here is the Goth Club outfit. My cyberlocks were originally from Miss Needles. I added some green to them. Mesh top and skirt I made. Fluffies and boots are the same ones as earlier. Green tights were new from a charity shop. The mesh ones were from Vinted. The collar was also Cyberdog from Vinted. Necklace from Etsy. And the belt is a bag strap that I took off the bag I got from Vinted as well. The only evidence I got of Sunday's outfit was, again, we were on the coach and I just forgot to do a video for that. So here is Monday's outfit to finish the video. Out for a walk, and despite it being December, it was warm enough for me to wear a cropped jumper, which was a charity shop find that I've done a lot of DIY to. The jacket, also from a charity shop. The gilet I've had since I was about 10. Skirt from Cyberdog, but I bought it on Vinted and cropped it. Boots are New Rock, I've had those for almost a decade now. And the harness and collar I made.